Hi, and welcome to our Channacademy course on Amazon ads. Amazon has been one of the biggest players in e-commerce for quite a while now. In this course, we will dive into the ins and outs of Amazon ads, first exploring what they are, how they can boost your sales, but also how you can automate, simplify, and elevate your ad setup via Channable. Channable is one of the only all-in-one Amazon integrations. You can list your products on Amazon via Channable, you can reprice your products via our repricer, synchronize your orders and stock via Channable, and automate and optimize your Amazon ad strategy all from one tool. So, what actually are Amazon ads? And what is the difference between the Amazon API? Basically, with our API, you can create and update your actual product listings. Ads, on the other hand, are there to promote your listings. Essentially, ads are the search results at the top of any Amazon search that shows the label sponsored. Amazon offers several types of advertising options, including sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display. Sponsored brand ads appear above search results and are intended to promote a brand rather than a specific product. Here you can direct shoppers to a custom landing page on your Amazon store itself. Sponsored display ads allow you to reach shoppers both on and off Amazon. These ads can appear on product detail pages, customer reviews, and other Amazon pages. With Channable, you can create sponsored product ads. Sponsored products are keyword-targeted ads that appear in a search result or other pages, such as the product details. They are designed to promote individual product listings. You can choose relevant keywords related to your products and set bids for those keywords. When shoppers search for those keywords, they should see the sponsored product ads. These ads are on a cost per click (CPC) basis. This means that you are bidding for your ad to appear. Amazon runs a real-time auction when a shopper searches for a product to decide which ads will show and in which order. If your ad is shown by Amazon, this counts as an impression. If the shopper buys your product, within a week or two after clicking on your ad, the sale is attributed to this click. We will dive more into ad bidding in video 3. For now, let's have a look at how exactly Amazon structures their ads so you can understand where exactly Channable comes into play. Similarly to Google ads, Amazon ads are structured around campaigns, ad groups, and keywords. A campaign is a top-level structure that holds your ads and settings. It allows you to set a daily or lifetime budget and your bidding strategy. Within a campaign, you can create one or more ad groups. Ad groups allow you to organize your ads and target specific products or product categories. You can set bids at the ad group level. For sponsored products, you choose keywords that are relevant to your products. These keywords determine when your ads are eligible to be shown, and you can set bids for each keyword to control your ad's visibility and placement. So, where exactly does Channable come into play? And why use Channable to set up your campaigns, ad groups, and keywords, and not just do it all directly via Amazon? Honestly, almost everything is becoming an ad on Amazon. And to keep up with the competition, Amazon sellers must constantly optimize their strategies and advertising efforts. This is time and resource intensive, particularly when you are selling multiple products in multiple countries. Setting up these complete ad campaign structures across multiple products, variations, and target audiences in Amazon is very complex and time-consuming. And once you set up your campaigns and ads, you want to optimize the performance of those ads and ensure that they are showing up exactly where and when you want them to. This takes a lot of work and expertise. It's hard to control all campaigns manually, which can result in underperforming ads, reduced visibility, and missed opportunities to connect with your audiences. Channable will help you to easily create thousands of ads from your product listings and optimize your ad campaigns based on performance data at scale, with features that Amazon doesn't have. Some of the benefits include saving time on manual campaign setup. With Channable, you can easily create complete ad campaign structures in just one click, instead of manually creating ads campaign by campaign in Amazon Ads itself. Making your ads more relevant with our rule engine, so your ads will show up exactly where and when you want them to. Our solution will automatically execute your setup and will assign the right keywords to the right campaigns. Get real-time data on how your ads are performing and report on goals with ease. And finally, bidding optimization and management. This feature enables you to automate bids based on keyword performance analysis and specified target ACOs of your campaign. In the next video, we will dive into the different Amazon ad campaigns, but first you can test your knowledge on the first video with a couple of questions.